Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. A couple weeks ago I made a 3-gun range review where I compared the 3 guns. Here we have a Browning high power Sig P220 and a Desert Eagle 1911 commander size. And I asked the viewers to add their input as to which they prefer the most, put them in order 1 through 3, and they did. I got so many comments. So my daughter and I added them all up, and I want to share those results with you today. But before we do that, let's take a look at the guns that were used. Here we have a Browning high power. Excellent gun. This gun is an incredible shooter. The CZ75 models were modeled after the Browning high power, and that just speaks to the quality of this. Many people consider this one of the best 9mm out there. Unfortunately, Browning ended production on this, so it really increased the value of the high power. That's a Mark III there. And over here we have a Sig P220. This is more of a duty pistol. This is a carry model with a 4.4-inch barrel, and Sig doesn't make this anymore either. So they only make the full-size 220s. This is the carry model, and it's a pretty sharp gun as well. I love it. I've owned it for quite a while. And last but not least is the Desert Eagle 1911, and many people said we love the custom work. All right, it's got all this beautiful custom work, but by and large people said I just love the 1911, and they chose that because of the features of the 1911, and I can agree with that. So there's no question that that short single action trigger pull, it makes that just an incredible shooter. So here's how the votes shook out. In third place was the Sig P220 with 155 total points. And in second place was the Browning high power with a total of 172 points. And in first place was the 1911, in this case the Desert Eagle commander size. Now what I did was I assessed 3 points for a first place, 2 points for a second place, and 1 point for a third place, and that's how the votes shook out. All these are phenomenal guns. I own, these are all mine. I own them. I do not have a bias any which way, but I want to give you my thoughts on these 3 guns and how I would rank them if I took part in this poll. In first place, I agree with the viewers. I would take the 1911. I just really dig it. I love all the features. I love the historical classic 1911 feel, the shooting, the amazing accuracy, and especially that single action trigger. So I agree with that. Now here's where I'm going to disagree. I like the duty pistol, and that's the P220. I would go with this in second place, and that's not to say that the high power is not worthy. It is worthy. It's an amazing shooting gun, and I'm happy to have it. And I think I already mentioned it's increasing in value because Browning stopped production on it. But that's not what this is about. It's about preference at the range, and I really love this gun. So it was so much fun for me to feature these, shoot them, and then get the input from the viewers. I want to thank every single person who added their input and gave me a chance to listen to your reasoning as to why you voted for whatever gun, and then added them all up and able to get over here and report the results. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.